Hey guys, I know myself here. Welcome back to the channel, and it is officially Apple Watch Series 7 launch day. Today, you can grab a brand new Apple Watch at your local Apple store. I grabbed 3 different models for 3 new colors that I wanted to share with you guys. We have the blue. This one's going to be the 45 millimeter size. Right there it is, blue aluminum case. I also picked up the Starlight color as well in 45 millimeters, and that's the aluminum case as well. We're going to unbox all 3 in this video, and I wanted to share with you guys also the green aluminum case, which is also one of the new colors available this year. As always, if you want to stay up to date with the latest Apple news, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss another episode. And now let's go ahead and start with one of my favorite colors this year, and this one's going to be the blue. So let's go ahead and unbox the new blue color Apple Watch aluminum 45. And as always, the unboxing very clean, very simple. Inside of the packaging, we have the bands that come with the watch and the watch itself. So let's go ahead and move this aside here, and let's take a look at the color blue. Let's see what Apple has to offer in terms of blue this year for the Apple Watch. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the tab from right here. There we go. Now these tabs are very similar to the new iPhone box tabs, so no more plastic on these products here. So Apple is definitely getting rid of plastic all across the board. There's another tab here at the bottom, so let's go ahead and remove that one as well. Okay, so here it is, the new Apple Watch Series 7. There we go. Let's go ahead and remove it. And that new blue color really looks very nice, actually. I like this a lot. It's a lot darker than last year's blue color. So I wanted to pick this one. This is going to be my personal watch, by the way. So I'm going to be using the blue. I also have the product red from last year. Right here it is, Series 6. And in terms of size, like right away, you can tell that the body is identical, but the difference this year is obviously that the screen has been pushed out a little further out to the edges, making it slightly bigger. And obviously it also charges 33% faster, so faster charging with a new brick actually inside of the packaging. So let's go ahead and take a look at the brick. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the new Apple Watch here in just a few seconds so that I can show you the new UI, right? Because Apple did change the UI in order to accommodate the new screen as well. So the actual brick, as I mentioned, or the puck that you use to charge your Apple Watch this year is slightly different. This one is USB-C now. Again, 33% faster charging here. And it's actually aluminum, so it's no longer a plastic one, so just keep that in mind. It's also an upgraded cable there for the puck and the actual charging. And here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and set up this blue aluminum 45 millimeter Apple Watch so that we can take a quick look at it in comparison to last year's Apple Watch Series 6. So Series 7 and Series 6, all bands do fit both models. Again, the only difference this year is going to be the charging speeds and that actually the screen has been pushed out. So let's go ahead and set this one up. Now, another thing that's new this year, as I go through the setup process here, the always on display is slightly brighter when it's at its dimmest state, right? The always on display. So as this continues to go through the setup process here, I'm just going to set that aside, and I wanted to share with you guys the new watch bands that come with the new Apple Watch Series 7. So let's go ahead and unbox this right here. And let's pull onto the tab and let's get in here. So this is the one that came with the Apple Watch. Of course, you can pick from many new Apple Watch bands that are available right now at the Apple Store. So here we go. This one right here has sort of a green mintish blue color. Right there it is. So I like this strap a lot, actually. Let's go ahead and get to the actual unboxing of the other colors so you guys can see what the Starlight looks like in the green as well. So that's, again, the blue aluminum case 45. We're going to take a look at the screens comparison here once that's all set up. But for the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at the green color Apple Watch as well. I'm going to set these over to the side here while we continue the setup process. And the unboxing, as always, very clean, very simple. In the box right here, you can see the Apple Watch is right there. You see the size, Series 7 on the other side. We have nothing. The tabs, once again. And I wanted to film all 3 colors in one video so that you guys can kind of just sit back, relax, and enjoy these videos. So let's go ahead and remove the Apple Watch from the packaging here. And let's see what that new green color looks like. I'm really looking forward to this color as well, because this one reminds me a lot of the green color from the previous generation iPhone. Believe it or not, iPhone 12 had the greenish military color, or the iPhone 11, sorry, had that kind of military green or navy green. This is what this color reminds me of. Right there it is. So it's going to remove it from the actual sleeve that it comes in. And take a look at that. That's a little darker than I thought it would be, actually. but I do like it a lot. Again, if you've seen an iPhone 11, I believe it is, that comes in that military or navy green, that is what this green reminds me of. The digital crown is completely blacked out. And yeah, there it is, Apple Watch Series 7. Green, as Apple calls it. Right, there we go. Just going to move that aside here. We'll set that one up later. That's not going to be my daily, but let's go ahead and take a look. Again, the same thing applies here. A new cable for faster charging, obviously, and that's pretty much it in terms of the bands that it comes with. The band that comes with this watch actually is sort of interesting. I've never owned one of these bands. They're these leather, magnetic leather bands. Let's take a look at the band, because this band, when I saw it online, I don't know why I've never came across wearing one of these. They look so cool in the Apple Store. I actually had the chance to actually fit one on, and they look pretty dope. So let's go ahead and take a look at the brand new band. Again, but these bands are not new. This particular one isn't new. It's been around for some time. But again, I never came across actually using one. But now that I look at it and tried it out in the Apple Store, they're pretty dope actually. So let's go ahead and put this on the Apple Watch. Just like so. And this is one of the standard combinations that you can pick from. Apple Watches right now are a little bit delayed, or the shipping has slipped a little. But take a look at that. That looks really cool. I really like this color actually. I know that the blue is going to be my default, but this one is really calling my attention as well. So I think Apple Watch is ready to go here. So yeah, there it is. The blue is now set up. I'm going to use a very similar watch face as I have on the Series 6 so that I can actually compare the screen sizes here. So let's go into settings here, or actually let's go into the actual watch faces, and we'll determine from there which watch face we'll add. So we're going to do the gradient, I think shows the color the best. So we're going to go with the gradient, and we'll compare it to the Apple Watch, a Series 6. So let's go into the watch face, and I'm going to go with, let's go with this sort of two-tone color here. Let's go with this multicolor tone right there. So rainbow color. Here we go. So take a look at that. That's the difference between both displays. Definitely noticeable. I definitely like the change. As you can see right there, the colors actually look a little more vibrant on the new model. Apple didn't mention anything about that, but to me, hopefully the camera will do it justice. There is the always on display, looks a little brighter on the new generation Apple Watch as well. But anyway, here is the green. So now we're going to move over to the Starlight color, which is also a new color this year. So again, very easy, very clean unboxing from Apple's unboxing experiences, as you know. Here we go. We have all these papers over here. Now this one I went with the blue band. This one is a band that I chose that doesn't come as a default option, but it is one of those bands that I thought would look really cool or really nice with the Starlight color. We're going to take a look at the band here first. And let's see what's inside here other than the band. Obviously, we get the extra band as well. Take a look at that color blue. That is a sky blue, in my opinion. So we'll move that over to the side. And obviously, let's get to the star of the show, which is the Starlight 45mm as well. Now, obviously, all the boxes look pretty much the same. If you get the aluminum, you have the Apple Watch with the actual color. You have the Series 7 logo, 45. Nothing on the other side. And that's pretty much it. So once you remove those tabs, obviously, we can get into the packaging itself. And here it is. Apple Watch Series 7 in the Starlight color. Now, I know a lot of you guys were probably looking forward to this color. I had a lot of comments in my videos asking to unbox this color. It is identical to the Starlight color on iPhone 13 earlier launched this year, but it looks so nice on the Apple Watch, honestly. So let's go ahead and grab those bands here for the new Apple Watch. So here they are. And let's remove them from the packaging. Let's get the smaller one here to go along with. And wow, this combination is going to be very nice. Apple does really a good job at actually picking colors for their watches and their watch bands. I think this one looks pretty cool as well. So there it is, the 45mm Starlight color with the blue bands. I think it looks really nice. We also have the blue, as I mentioned, or the green actually. There it is as well. And we have the blue, which is my personal go-to this year for the Apple Watch Series 7. Now, where did I put that band? Let me look for that band. So let's go ahead and set this one up as well. And that's pretty much it. The blue this year to me is my favorite color. I would like to hear from you in the comments down below. What is your favorite color this year for the Apple Watch? Did you order one? Honestly, if you have an Apple Watch Series 6 and you have the little extra cash and you're really looking forward to the larger display, then by all means upgrade. But Series 6, I wouldn't really upgrade it if you didn't really have to. But Series 5 and below, definitely a noticeable upgrade here. Again, screen size is definitely noticeable here. The text is going to be larger and all that. So here we go. 3 Apple Watch. Blue this year looks pretty cool. Green with this new band that I love. And the Starlight with the blue. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. If you did pick one up, which one did you pick up? I would like to hear from you in those comments down below. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Happy Apple Watch Series 7 launch day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.